Math Olympiad, synthetical problem of inequalities. This is our topic. But we have one problem here. If the solution set to the inequality for x is x to the second power minus x or 8x plus 20 divided by mx to the second power minus 2mx plus 2m minus 4 less than 0 is r, the real numbers. This means the real numbers are. Find the value range of the real numbers m. Okay. I will explain some clue for Mathematics Olympiad when you work with inequalities. So inequalities related to the quadratic polynomials. Okay. Inequalities to a quadratic polynomial. Like fx equals ax to the second power plus bx plus c. Right? When a is different of 0, right? We have some properties for the function. So properties of the function. Properties of the function. Fx, this number equals ax to the second power plus bx plus c. Let's write some properties. Number one, we have, it's very important, number one, okay. The graph of x, look at this. The graph is symmetric. Look at this. Is symmetric. It is symmetric without respect x equals less b, so negative b divided by 2a. Okay, this is one property. Another property that we have it, look at this, I will erase it. This is number one. Some clue before to solve our problem. Okay, number two. So we have the maximum. And minimum value of f of x. Look at this. If we have two different things. If, for instance, a is greater than 0, a is greater, then f of x minimum is equals f negative b divided by 2a equals 4ac minus b squared divided by 4a. This is attached when x is equals negative b divided by a. Alright? This is another thing. One more important idea or concept when you work in synthetical problems on equalities. Okay, one more. If this is a number, if a is less than 0, now this before is a greater than 0. Now it's this. Then look at this. Then f of x is maximum. Remember before was minimum, now maximum is equals f, the formula negative b divided by 8. Here is the same. 4ac minus b squared divided by 4a. Okay? Assign it here. Negative b divided by 2a. 2a. Right, this is a number. We have relationship with the property number 2. Okay, let's go and then let me write a number 3. Property number 3. This is not only for this problem. When you work on synthetical problems on equalities. So the number 3, the property number 3. Number 3, the maximum, the minimum, okay, value of f of x on interval you have, or we have alpha, comma, beta, b. All right, we have two different things here. If, for instance, here, if negative b divided by 2a belong to this interval, then f of x here is two different things. Let me write here. F, we have two different things. Here is minimum, and then f of x with this maximum. What is the difference here? So this is equals minimum. When we have this group f of f of b comma f negative b divided by 2a. We have this group, and the bottom we have here equals maximum. We will have also here f of a, here are some b, and then f, the same thing. This is another group. So some ideas when you working in equalities, so when you solve synthetical problems or inequalities. But let's erase all this data, this some information for our problem. Okay, this is our problem. Now, what is the solution? Then the solution, let's see what is the solution to our problem. How solve our problem? First, I will to write all the steps and then follow me. Since look at this. Since x, we have x to the second power minus 8x plus 20. Okay, it's equals. This is equals. Look at this. It's x minus 4 to the second power, right? This is equals plus 4, all right? We have one. So it is equivalent to say that the solution set to what? To this, we are talking about the denominator here. Is mx to the second power minus 2mx plus 2m, all right? Plus 2m is less than 0, right? Less than 0, okay? Is r, okay? So now, if here, this is very important, if m is equal to 0, then the problem one, number one here becomes a negative 4 minus 0, all right? Whose solution set is R. It's R. I mean the real numbers. So this is another idea. Number two, if m is different of 0, now different, then problem one becomes, I mean, here no one is a quadratic inequality. All right, and it's necessary to satisfy the condition for its solution. It's necessary to satisfy the condition for this solution set to be R. All right, is then we have here is we have in the first the solution set is in the first one is m less than 0, all right, m less than 0, and then the second one, there's a triangle here, is equals 4m to the second power minus 4m, so which is 2m here in the parentheses, minus 4 less than 0, all right? Solving this inequality here, or solving this system of inequality, we got it. So solving this system of inequalities, this is so this is the system. Solving this system of inequalities, we get it m less than 0, all right? Therefore the value range here as a conclusion, therefore This is the solution, but look at the solution. If the solution set to the inequality for x, is x to the second power minus ax plus 20 divided by mx to the second power minus 2mx plus 2m minus 4 less than 0, find the value range of the real numbers m. Find the value range of the real numbers m. Okay, so of m, is I will write the answer right here. Is m such m less or equals than 0? Less or equals than 0. Alright? This is our solution to our problem. This is our conclusion right here. Right? So find the value range of the real numbers m. This is the value. So the range of the real numbers and the value, it is m such m is less or equals than 0. All these real numbers are the solution to our problem. See? Okay? So as always I remember you, if you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential.